Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today Lord intro numbers 1 to 20. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Black color, red color, gray color, orange color, green color, blue color, purple color, light pink color, yellow ochre color, light gray color, and yellow color. Kids, now you draw one and use yellow color. One, two. Kids, now you draw three and use red color. Three, four. Kids, now you draw five and use green color. Green color. Five, six, seven. Kids, now you draw eight and use black color. Eight, nine. Kids, now you draw 10 and use gray color. 10. Kids, now you draw 11 and use yellow ochre color. 11, 12. Kids, now you draw 13 and use light pink color. 13, 14. Kids, now you draw 15 and use blue color. 15, 16. Kids, now you draw 17 and use orange color. 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19 and use purple color. 19. Lastly, draw 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.